Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if TransUnion notifies you when changes occur on your report. The short answer is yes, TransUnion can notify you of changes, but it depends on the type of service you have. To receive these notifications, you'll need to use one of their credit monitoring services, which can be either free or paid. What is credit monitoring? Credit monitoring is a service that watches your credit report and alerts you when there are significant changes. It's a proactive way to stay on top of your credit health without having to manually check your report every day. These alerts are crucial for catching potential fraud or identity theft early on. TransUnion's free credit monitoring services notify you of critical changes like new accounts being opened, hard inquiries, or late payments. How to get notified? To get these notifications, you have a few options. Free TransUnion account. By creating a free account on the TransUnion website, you get access to your credit report and score with daily refreshes. This service also includes alerts for critical changes to your report, so you'll get a notification if something important happens. Third-party services. Many financial institutions and other apps offer credit monitoring that includes your TransUnion report. These services often provide similar alerts for changes. Fraud alerts and credit freezes. If you're concerned about identity theft, you can place a free fraud alert or a credit freeze on your report. A fraud alert requires creditors to verify your identity before opening a new account. A credit freeze completely blocks access to your credit report, making it impossible for new accounts to be opened. While a credit freeze doesn't send you alerts for changes, it's a powerful way to prevent them from happening in the first place. Staying informed about the activity on your credit report is a key step in protecting your financial well-being. By using one of these services, you can get alerted to suspicious activity and take action quickly. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.